up, buddy? If you want to do that, we can do that, but that's up to you. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Oh, this is nice. Alright, so here we got the Elantra and taking a fresh air. Just did some runs on the mountain. This gas station over here. Just letting it run some fresh air, why not? I did an oil change today. I'm just trying to test it out on the mountain, see what this thing can do. Just something chill for now until I get more familiar with the vehicle and stuff. But yeah, more content definitely coming up with this car, I can tell you that for sure.